guys, today I'm super excited because I'm going to bring in a new Toothless to show you today, and I'm so excited to do role plays with it. But right now I just brought this in to show you today. It's brand new, just got it today. So I got this new Race to the Edge Toothless. Is it real? Toothless on the table and a Race to the Edge when we never get Race to the Edge Toothlesses. Let's see, it has a bit of rotate in the head here, like that. But it also opens up, it shoots a projectile, but I'm not going to show that in today. I'm sorry, I just don't feel like it. But he wraps his wings up, they're kind of floppy. He's got his saddle here. I kind of like that, how they put the saddle in, they added that. I can see some holes sticking out here for the armor, which I'll get in a minute. Huh? So we got some move of feet, we've got some wings here, and I think if you push this scale here, and if you turn it on, you push this scale.
Toothless, separate! Come on.
Oh, that sounds epic!
I'm flying! Woo-hoo!
That sounds cool, guys. That sounds amazing. They even added in his red tail. And this is better than all the Toothlesses. Let's measure it up. And I'll show you the Hiccup after this. Let's measure it up to this Toothless. Okay, so you would get a bit smaller in stores. This Toothless is actually not small. It's quite big for the accurate Toothless. I'm going to say a bit smaller. I mean, bigger than the power dragons that you normally find in like home bargains. But this Toothless is a bit bigger, which is the power dragon. But this Toothless, I definitely find in stores that are way better than any Toothless. And it's a Race to the Edge, you guys. I've never seen a Race to the Edge Toothless or Hiccup. Let's go grab the Hiccup. So it actually came with 2 Hiccups because this Hiccup that came with it could not fit on there, but this one can actually sit on it like this and was actually made to come with it. So I'll go get the armor. So here's the armor. So you just pop it on the Toothless like this. Yeah, so you just pop it on the Toothless like this. So just like that, it goes on. And then you just pop it there like that. So there we go. Hiccup sits here, right on top of that seat for Hiccup. And flies like that. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, if you want this, it's really cool. I like it. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye.